Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduction myself. My name is Iva Fauzia. Class is C632337. My name is 63244342. You campus so hard. I want to tell you about the culinary diversity in Indonesia. So, the culinary diversity in Indonesia, what is abundant cultural and natural wealth is also known as culinary paradise. Each region in Indonesia has its own uniqueness in terms of food and drink, reflecting the diversity of ethnicity, culture, and local food ingredients. I will discuss the culinary diversity in Indonesia, exploring some typical dishes from various regions in the archipelago. For example, five pempek is a famous Palembang fish dish made from ground fish dough mixed with sago flour. Pempek is then boiled and served with sour vinegar sauce. Pempek has a sweet texture and delicious taste. And addition to pempek food, there is also a typical Betawi soto food. Soto is a popular soup dish in Indonesia. Each region has different varieties of soto such as soto Betawi, soto Banjar, or soto Lamongan. This is the sequences of chicken or beef broth served with noodles, pitch of meat, vegetables, and typical soto pitch. Indonesia has a rich and alluring culinary diversity reflecting its culture, heritage, and natural wealth. Dishes such as fried rice, rendang, satay, gudeg, pempek, and soto are examples of the culinary recipes from various regions in Indonesia. Each dish has its one this is sensitive test on cooking test who creating and Nuki culinary explainers through this culinary diversity. Indonesia not only pampers the tons of visitors, but also enriches our understanding of the culture and culinary heritage of the archipelago. That's my speech about culinary diversity Indonesia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Mifa Fauzia. I come from the accounting study program. My class C is 6337. My name is 63245352. Here I will explain what countable news are, where there is a definition of countable news, characteristic of countable news, example of countable news, example of singular countable news. Definition of countable news. Countable news are nouns that refer to things which can be counted whether singular or plural. This means that we can count the awesome number 1, 2, 3, 8. For example, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, and so on. This noun have both a singular from when talking about me a time and period and plural from when talking about more than on time. In everything in everyday conversation and wording, countable nouns are commonly as to specify the quantity of something. Example: 1 book, 2 books. A cat, 5 cats. In short, if we can cut it directly and add a number in front of it, it is a countable news. Characteristic of countable nouns. Countable nouns have several unique characteristics that make them easy to identify. One, they can be counted using number 1, 2, 3. 2. They have singular and plural forms. Singular form is used when talking about one at a time, and plural is used when talking about more than one. Singular, a book, an apple, plural, books, apples. 3. They can be used with article like are or and when singular. 4. They can be used with continuous words such as money for popular, it's every for singular. 5. They are often asked in question with how many. Example-nya, how many pens do you have? Example of countable nouns. Below are several examples of countable nouns. Animals, cat, dog, bird, cow, rabbit. Food items, apple, banana, egg, sandwich, or rice. Object, book, pen, bed, bottle, car, table. Below are several examples of countable nouns. People are roles, student, teacher, doctor, friend, worker. Other common nouns, car, house, ball, pond, bag. These nouns can easily be cons and have plural forms, egg, dogs, books, students. Example of singular countable nouns. When we talk about only an item, we ask the singular form of countable nouns. Often we ask the article or an before the noun. Here are some examples of singular countable nouns. Ada cat, an apple, a book, a car, a student, a pound, a sandwich. In this example-nya, is asked before what starting with a consonant sound, a book, a car, and is said before what starting with a vowel sound, an apple, and egg. Thank you. Let's work together. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.